staying strong, healthy, and youthful. By subscribing, liking, and ringing, you can greatly support our channel and help us produce more content that you'll love. Hello and welcome to the Longevity Lifestyle YouTube channel. Losing weight can be a daunting task for many people. With so many fad diets and conflicting information available, it can be hard to know where to start. However, the truth is that the smartest and surest way to lose weight is to adopt a healthy lifestyle that includes regular meals, plenty of water, and mindful eating habits. In this video, we'll outline a simple guide to help you achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. The importance of breakfast and lunch. It's often said that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. Eating a nutritious breakfast can help kickstart your metabolism and give you the energy you need to tackle the day ahead. Aim to eat a breakfast that includes protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates, such as whole grain toast with avocado and eggs. Lunch is also an important meal, as it can help keep you fueled and focused throughout the day. Aim to eat a balanced meal that includes protein, vegetables, and complex carbohydrates, such as grilled chicken with roasted sweet potatoes and a side salad. Dinner. A light and healthy option. While breakfast and lunch should be substantial meals, dinner should be lighter and healthier. Aim to eat a salad before 6 p.m. This will give your body plenty of time to digest before you go to bed, which can help improve sleep quality and aid in weight loss. The importance of drinking water. Drinking enough water is essential for weight loss and overall health. Aim to drink at least 500 milliliters of water first thing in the morning, as this can help kickstart your metabolism and hydrate your body after a night's sleep. Throughout the day, aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water to stay hydrated and support your weight loss goals. Another important point to keep in mind is to drink 500 milliliters of water around 7 p.m. This can help you stay hydrated and feel fuller, which can reduce your appetite and prevent overeating. Additionally, drinking water at this time can also help improve digestion and promote a more restful sleep. So make sure to include this simple yet effective habit in your daily routine to support your weight loss and overall health goals. Mindful eating habits. Mindful eating habits can also help support weight loss. This means eating slowly, savoring your food, and paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Avoid distractions, such as television or your phone, while eating, as these can interfere with your body's natural signals. Conclusion. Losing weight doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. By adopting a healthy lifestyle that includes regular meals, plenty of water, and mindful eating habits, you can achieve your weight loss goals and improve your overall health. Remember to be patient and kind to yourself, as weight loss is a journey that takes time and effort. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been informative and helpful. I recommend that you watch all the videos I upload from the beginning to gain a comprehensive understanding of the topics covered. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos on health and wellness. See you in the next one.